New intro coming soon.
Well, I forgot to unplug something right here. So, unplug that, then it lifts up properly, and cable, and there's your motherboard. See, all good. So, yeah, that would be the end of this video. Thank you very much. In a next video, I'll just show you how to get the heat sinks and whatnot out. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want. I have no idea why I just said that. You know, it's up to you. I'm not telling you to. Something I'm asking you to do though is share it on Facebook and Twitter and whatever other social network sites you have. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Alright, get the CD drive out. Simple, just push on it and slide it out. There's no screws. There's CD drive. Hewlett Packard. Alright, here's... have I done them? Yeah. Here's a tricky bit, because the motherboard's put in there real good. Gotta figure out how to get... but, yep. Right, so see this? And it goes there, just pull it out, it's a bit tight. One of those things is good tight. Yep. So then you can see the motherboard's nice and loose, but because of the USBs, Ethernet and jacks and whatnot, it gets a bit stuck, but nearly there. Just wiggle it around. VGA port's stuck. Come on, get out, you bastard. Alright, I'll come back to you when it's out.